Today, I spent the afternoon at Bowles Exhibition Centre in Manchester at the Herpetological Society's show for reptiles. But I didn't go for the reptiles, I went for the bugs. But there was also some other cool stuff there. I was making a terrarium, or I will be this week. I wanted some specific things for it. So, luckily, NK Exotics were there. And I decided to buy 2 or 3 plants from there, which are pretty awesome. So, here we go. Crucifolia, of course. That's an absolute given. I've got some of this already, but this looks so good and so healthy. I thought, yeah, I'll have that. And you've got a nice red cryptanthus, which is another awesome little plant for terrariums. And a peperonia. I can't remember which peperonia this is, but tells you right here, right now, that I forgot. But as I said, reptiles, plants, snakes, spiders, not what I went for. What I went for is a specific company which I always trust, which is Unseen Universe, and they do countless praying mantis. Again, link will be in the description below. You need to check them out if you like praying mantis, because I just trust them more than anyone else. And I've trusted them to pick some praying mantis for me. I have no idea what's in this bag, but I know what 2 of them are. One of them's my wife's that she wanted, which is a Spiny flower mantis nymph. And another one is a giant Asian, which I wanted for another reason. So let's have a look at them. First is one I already knew I had, which is the Herpetological membranaceae, or the giant Asian mantis. This might be risking it taking us out, because these guys are so friendly. Once I take him out, I might struggle getting him back in again. Look at that. I'm saying him. I have no idea because he's so tiny. Can you see him there? Is that a good look at you? Giving a chance to focus. That's cute. That's too cute. Now here's the problem. Get him back in. Now mantis like to climb up. So good tip, if you're going to get them in, make sure you tip the cup or whatever it is you're taking them out of, and they will instinctively try and climb up. Just make sure you don't catch these little feet when putting the lid back on. And let's see what's next. And what we've got here, this is Latipromenum. This is the Rombadura Latipromenum, which is the giant Asian shield mantis. So let's carefully take her out. This one's quite skittish and jiggy with it. So see what we've got here. Another green mantis, or it could be blue later on. Let's have a look. There she's cleaning. Now if you can see her there. Is she focused? Or is she too tiny? I'll get a better picture of her shortly. And look at that. Mantis poop. At least she's been eating. So look, she wants to go back to her cup. So we're going to let her. Because I have some more to have a look through. Again, be careful. Get your foot over there. That's it. How we put them. Let's see what we've got next. Next. Peewobergi, which is a spiny flower mantis, or the pseudo Creobotra, I think, if I remember rightly. Let's have a look. These look very much like ants when they're small nymphs. Very much. And they're very black. There you can see this. Look, up there. These are also quite skittish when they're small. They're also quite cheeky. Let's see if I can get to... No? No. They're quite curious though. I'm going to pop this one back. Oh, I better look at it because I'm quite excited. I've still got another 4 and I have no idea what they are. So where's her legs? There she is. Put her in there. Let's see what we've got next. What we've got now is the Rombadura Kirby Eye, which is the Timor shield mantis. I already have 2 of these, but I'm quite happy to have another one. This one I think is a different morph. Oh, she's already out. Or he. No idea. Go on and see if you can count the rings on that one. But these are really, really, really special little mantis. This one's really tiny, probably L2 I think, L3 maybe. Yeah, I'm quite happy about that. Let's put her back, if she wants to go back. Maybe not. Oh, up she goes. Over the top. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Just touch the abdomen a little bit. Not too much. She's trying to get onto me. I'm going to have problems getting this one back in. So I'll come back in a second when I've got her in. Right, we've got her back in. Let's see what else is next. Ah, well, this one. Let's have a look. Genus is B, so it's Bransicchia. And it's the Freya. Mitch, his writing is horrible. Right. These are cute. They're kind of a dead leaf mantis. Quite a large one. 7 or 8 centimetres if I remember rightly. I don't think I've ever had one of these, but this one's tiny. If you can see that. I had 2. No. I'll get better pictures from shortly. I'll pop this one back in. See if she wants to. Go back. Go on. Look how tiny that is. Tiny. Let's get it back in and see what else we've got in this mystery bag from Unseen Universe. Come on. And she's hugging the side to make it impossible for me to put the lid back on because I'm frightened of. In fact, I'm so frightened of doing it, I'm not going to put the lid on. Let's sit it on there. Let's see what we've got next. Next one. P. affinis. Goodwin mantis. These are cool. Quite big again. Large species. These numerous times. You can see that. Yeah, this one's rather quiet. Quite like this one so far. He's nice and quiet. Stay there. No, you want to stay there. You want to stay there. You want to stay there. Yeah, watch my finger. Alright. I'll pop you back in. Because you're behaving. So I'm going to keep you in here. You're going to let me put the lid on. Okay? Come on. That's it. Come on over here. That's the one. And last but not least, and we've got, I don't even need to read the name, Sibila Prettyosa is the cryptic mantis, which is very skitty. I don't know whether to check this one out. I already have some of these, so hopefully this one's going to be a male. I might get to have some more of them in the future. Now, I wasn't sure about taking this one out. These are very, very skittish. And if the light goes near them, they will dodge around. Can you see that it's shaking? Look at that. They're very, very skittish. Don't really want to touch it, but when you do, they jump as well. He's a really cool mantis. He's a really cool looking. There he goes. Off up my arm. As soon as I put my hand near him, he's looking for somewhere to change direction. The great thing about these, they do actually hunt. They don't just sit there like a lot of the mantis, they do hunt. or you introduce food and they will chase it actively. So come on in, on in. You're not going to go on here now. It's going to be almost impossible getting this thing back in here. I should have had their enclosures ready, which have been ready for days. I've just not got them here. And you have to be really careful putting the lid on with this one because it's got such long legs. They're very thin and spindly and difficult to see, especially at the speed it moves. Very, very quick mantis. Come on, come on. Yep, I don't know how Mitch got these in the little cups, but I should imagine it took longer. I would have actually charged double just to get these in the cup because they are really, really, really skittish. Come on, come on, over there in the middle. That's it, in the middle, and upside down you are. There you go. And we'll pop the lid back on there. Make sure his feet aren't in the way. No, he's gone down to the bottom. Good. And I think that's about it. So I'm really pleased with that haul, as it were. And this one still hasn't moved. This dead leaf. Ah, I say that, and it moved. Right, so I can get the lid back on here. I'm going to put these in their new enclosures that have been made for days. And they're actually terrariums at the moment. And if I can ask my wonderful assistant to move my camera back, I'll show you one. Right, this is one of our terrariums. There's a bunch of these. Some of them missing sticks at the moment, but this one has a nice big chunky branch in it there, which I thought was awesome. And before, I've kept nymphs in these, and they tend to dangle off this under the side of this branch to shed. So this is awesome. All we have to do is turn this into a mantis house is remove the lid, pop on some mesh, elastic band, and then we have a perfect house for a nymph. So let's house one of these guys in here and see how they like it. Which one? I have no idea. Let's go for this one. Which I can't actually see. So look which one you are. Can't read the writing. How you doing, pal? I go in here. You're not going to go in here, are you? Let's pop you on here. On the branch. On the branch. No, gotta go on me. Gotta go on me. Yep, gotta go on me. Well, there you go. There's your new house. Pop you there. Now, the reason you need a stick is because not all mantis can actually climb glass. Luckily this one can. He's happy, she's happy, it's happy in there right now. I have to do that for another 6. So here they are, fed and watered, 7 praying mantis, all in their own little terrariums, all bioactives, all got springtails, all got different species of icepod in them, and all ready to go on their own new mantis shelf, nowhere near the bigger ones that I have. And I'm going to keep you updated on their progress as they grow. I do have a ghost mantis thinker that I've still got to pin up. Hopefully it doesn't act where it is at the moment. I'm going to be doing that this week. I'm probably going to be making some more terrariums for new mantis. Not these new mantis, but more mantis that should be coming in the future. These are, of course, from Unseen Universe, as I said. Great place. Always nice and healthy mantis. Always a good selection if you get a mystery box. I suggest a mystery box because they're pretty cool. It always sends you more than you expect. So if you're going to make terrariums, follow my channel and make some more terrariums so you've got lots and lots of terrariums for the mantis that you get from Unseen Universe. as he will send you a lot. All links will be in the description below. I might try the Mantis Den or the Cheeky Mantis, who I saw also at the show today. They seem quite funky. And another place called the BioViv, who sold isopods, so I might check them out as well. But for now, I'm going to put these on the shelf. So in the meantime, I'd like you to give us a like and subscribe, and I'll come back to you later. Don't forget to tickle my bell. See you later.